Okay, in definite integration we have to see these areas of the curves using integration. Okay, means problem will be given, based on that problem we have to find the area. Okay, the simplest example, find the area of y is equal to x square between x axis and x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 2. Okay, now look at here, y is equal to x square. Okay, what we have to do, we have to draw a curve. So x is equal to x, y is equal to x square. Put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 1, then x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4. Means we are writing a small value cell. Now we have to draw curve. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Right? Next, x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 1. Okay, so this is the point. Next, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4. So this is 2 minus 1. So this is a curve. So this area we have to find out. Now area enclosed. What is the area enclosed? Minus 1 to 2. Between minus 1 to 2, x square dx. Means we have to find area enclosed between minus 1 to 2. So this becomes x cube by 3 minus 1 to 2. So what is the upper limit? 2 cube by 8 minus 1 whole cube by 3. Upper limit minus lower limit. So this becomes 8 by 3 minus 1 means minus or minus plus. So how much? 3 units. Simple concept, sir. Okay. Right? Now one more problem. Y is equal to x cube plus 3 and x is equal to y is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. So x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 2. Again, x, put x is equal to 0, y will be 3 because 0 plus 3, 3. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 plus 3, 4. X is equal to minus 1, y will be minus 1 cube is minus 1 plus 3, so 2. X is equal to 2, then this becomes 8 plus 3, 11. Okay, now this is x axis, y axis. When x is equal to 0 on y axis, on y axis x is equal to 0. What is the y value? 3. This is the point. Next, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 4. Next, x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 2. Then x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4, 11. So from where to where we have to find out? Minus 1 to 2. Correct points are minus 1 to 2. So we have taken minus 1 and 0, we have taken 1 and we have drawn the curve. So area enclosed is equal to minus 1 to 2 x cube plus 3 dx. So x power 4 by 4 plus 3 into, right? So this becomes 2 power 4 is 16 by 4 minus lower limit minus 1 power 4 means 1 by 4 plus here 3 into 2 minus of minus 1, upper limit minus lower limit, 4 16 by 4 minus 1 to the power of 4 is 1 only, so 1 by 4, so 15 by 4 plus 3 into 3, 9. So LCM is 4, so 15 plus 36, 51 by 4. units, right? So here we have to draw a rough diagram, then calculate the area. Okay, let us see next problem. Next, find the area between y is equal to 0 and parabola y is equal to x square minus 4x plus 3, right? Now solution. First y is equal to 0, therefore in this we have to put in y is equal to x square minus 4x plus 3. So 0 is equal to x square minus 4x plus 3. 0 is equal to x minus 1 into x minus 3. So what is the x value? 1, x is equal to 3. Now we got the endpoints. Now we have to draw the curve. Here 1 and 3. Right? Now let x is equal to 2. So what is the y value? 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus 3. So y is equal to 4 minus 8 plus 3. How much we get? Minus 1. So when you take x is equal to 2, you get minus 1. So this area we have to find out. But the problem is it is coming into negative direction. Therefore area enclosed 1 to 3 with minus sign dx. So what we have done? We have taken a curve and it is finding in the negative side. So bring the minus sign inside. So what will happen? 4x dx 1 to 3 minus x square dx 1 to 3 minus 3 into 1 dx 1 to 3. So x integration x square by 2 1 to 3 upper limit minus lower limit minus x cube by 3 1 to 3 1 to 3. So 4 into 9 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 27 by 3 minus 1 by 3. 3 minus 1. Upper limit minus lower limit. Continuously we are applying the same concept, sir. Upper limit minus lower limit. So this becomes 9 minus 1 is 8. So 8 by 2 is 4 minus 26 by 3 minus 3 into 2. So this will be 16 minus 26 by 3 minus 6. So 10 minus 26 by 3. 30 minus 26 is 4 by 3. So what we have to do? We have to find the now points. Once you get the points, in between point we have taken. Y from between 1 to 3 I have taken 2. Then I find this value is negative. So the curve will come in a negative direction. Okay, copy this. Next. Area between y square minus 1 is equal to 2x and x is equal to 0. Right? So y square minus 1 is equal to 2x. What is the x value? 0 is equal to 0. From this y square is equal to 1, y is equal to plus or minus 1. So plus 1 here minus 1. Now we got y values. Now in between value I will take y is equal to 0. Then what will happen? 0 minus 1 is 2x. X is equal to minus 1 by 2. Means it is coming here. When you take y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 means on x axis, sir. On x axis. So here it is coming. Now we have to draw the curve. Right? We are drawing the curve. So it is coming in a negative direction. Therefore, now what are the coordinates we got? Y coordinates. So minus 1 to plus 1. Before writing this, y square minus 1 is equal to x. X is equal to y square minus 1 by 2. What is the x value? Y square minus 1 by 2. Therefore, area is with minus sign, minus 1 to plus 1 by 2 dx. Bring the minus sign inside. So 1 by 2, 1 dy, minus 1 to 1, minus 1 to 1, y square dy. So y we have taken, x is we have taken, but we are putting here y value because coordinates దేనికి వచ్చేసారు, which coordinates we got, y coordinates, that's why we are right here 1 by 2, 1, minus 1 to 1, minus y cube by 3, minus 1 to plus 1. So 1 by 2, 1 minus of minus 1, minus upper limit is 1, minus 1 means plus 1. Upper limit is 1, lower limit is minus 1. So 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. So this becomes 1 by 2 into 2 minus 1 by 3 into 2 by 3. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. So this becomes 1 minus 2 by 9, which is nothing but 7 by 9. Sorry, here 1 plus 1, because already 1 by 3 we have taken common. So 1 by 3 into 2. So this becomes 2 by 3. So answer will be 1 by 3. So here we have to find the point of intersection. We got this. Okay. So here y square minus 1 is equal to 2x, x is equal to 0. Therefore y square minus 1 is equal to 2x. So x is equal to 0. So we get y value plus or minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1, and we have to draw the curve. So what I have taken, y is equal to 0, because between plus and minus there is a value 0. Okay, so y is equal to 0, therefore 0 minus 1 is equal to 2x. I am putting here. So y square minus 1 is equal to 2x. So y is equal to, I have put 0. So it becomes x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So what is the value of x we get? Minus 1 by 2. It means that this area we have to find out. Okay, this area we have to find out. So y square minus 1 by is equal to 2x. So x is equal to y square minus 1 by 2. Then area is equal to what? With minus sign, because here it is coming in the negative direction. So minus, why minus is coming? Because area is coming in the negative direction. Like previously we got here, like this it has come. So here it has come in negative side. So negative side I have put. So minus sign if you bring here 1 by 2 into 1 dy minus y square into dy. Then upper limit, lower limit, simplification. Okay, please note down this. Next one, x is equal to 4 minus y square, x is equal to 0. Again, 0 is equal to 4 minus y square is equal to 4, y is equal to plus or minus 2. So 2 minus 2. Now we have to identify between. So put x, y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 means what? X is equal to 4. In x is equal to 4 minus y square. I am putting y is equal to 0. What is the x value? I get 4. So this point. It is coming in the positive direction now. Okay, it has come in the positive direction. Okay, therefore area from where to where? Plus or minus 2. Minus 2 to plus 2. 4 minus y square dy. So 4 1 dy minus so 4 into y cube 2. Okay, so 4 into 2 minus of minus 2 minus 1 by 3. Y cube means what, sir? 2 cube minus of minus 2 cube. So this becomes 4 into 4 minus 1 by 3, 8 plus 8. So 16 minus 16 by 3. So how much we get? 30. So what we have done? Same procedure. Here it is coming in the positive direction. So directly 4 minus y square. Okay, copy this. Next. Find the area between y is equal to 3x, y is equal to 6x minus x square. Now, first we have to find point of intersection. Right? So again we'll write here 3x is equal to 3x minus x square, or 6x. So bring here, so 0 is equal to 3x minus x square, or x common, x minus 3. 3 minus x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 or x is equal to 3. Now we got points, sir. Now first one is straight line. What is that? We get a straight line. Y is equal to 3x. Second one is curve. What is the curve? So this is 0 comma 0, and here the point is what, sir? X is equal to 0, y is equal to, so what will happen? What is the point of intersection? 3 comma 9. Why 3 comma 9? Because for x is equal to 3, y is equal to 6x minus x square, which is 18 minus 9, 9. So this area we have to find. Therefore, area 0 to 3. First, you have to take the curve minus 3x dx. Okay, so what will happen? 3x minus x square dx. 3 into 0 to 3 x dx minus x dx. So what will happen? 3 into x square by 2, 0 to 3, minus x cube by 3, 0 to 3. So we are taking the areas. So 3 into 9 by 2 minus 0, here 27 by 3 minus 0. So this becomes 27 by 2 minus 9. Because this is a 0, 27 by 2 minus 9. So which is LCM is 2, 18. So 18, 27 minus 18, which is 9 by 2. So what we have done? First we have taken the point of intersection and we got x value 0, y x value 3. So x is equal to 3, y is equal to what? 9. So this is the point of intersection we got, point 0 comma 0, this area. So area is what? First we have to take the curve. Observe here. This is the curve is coming. Then the line is coming. So first I have to take the curve, then I have to take the straight line. So 6x minus x square minus 3x. 6x minus 3x is 3x minus x square. Put the limits, then substitute the values. Okay, note down this. Next, find the area between y is equal to x square minus 5x, y is equal to 4 minus 2x. Okay, first point of intersection. Okay, so both are y, so x square minus 5x is equal to 4 minus 2x. Bring the term this side. Minus 4x plus 2x is equal to 0. X square minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. So x square minus 4x plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. X common 0. X plus 1 into x minus 4 is equal to 0. So what are the values? X is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 4. Now we got the point of intersection side, right? Now we got the point of intersection. Put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Means for the curve, okay, we'll put like this. For y is equal to x square minus 5x, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, and for y is equal to 4 minus 2x, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 4. Right, we got this. Okay, right, now we have to draw rough diagram. What is the rough diagram? Where it is intersecting? Okay, at x is equal to minus 1. What is the y value? 1 minus 5. 1 plus 5, 4. Similarly, x is equal to 4. This becomes 16 minus 20 minus 4. Right? So we draw rough diagram. Okay, this area we have to find out. Okay, this area we have to find out. What is the point here? This point is minus 1. This point is 4. Okay, therefore area minus 1 to 4. First you have to take the straight line. What is the line? You have to consider the straight line. What is the straight line? 4 minus 2x minus of x square minus 5x dx. So what will happen? Minus 1 to 4. 4 minus 2x plus 5x dx. So what will happen? Minus 1 to 4, 4 plus 3x minus x square dx. So you have to find this area. Now integration 1 dx plus 3 minus 1 to 4 x dx minus x square dx. So 4 into integration of 1 is x, 4 plus 3, 4 minus 1 to 4, right? So upper limit 4 into 4 plus 1 minus plus 3 into 4 square is 16, 16 by 2 is 8. Minus lower limit is minus 1, so it becomes 1 by 2 minus 4 cube means 64 by 3 minus of minus plus 1 by 3. So what will happen? 4 into 5 20 plus 16 minus 1 15 means 45 by 2 minus 65 by 3, right? LCM is 6. So this becomes 120 plus 135 minus 130. So how much we get? 125 by 6 units. Right? So what is happening here? So first we have to take these two equations, point of intersection in x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 4. Then in the y we have to put x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 4. Right? Again x is equal to 4, y is equal to minus 4. Then draw the curve. This is minus 1 and this is 4. Between these two we have to find area. So first we have to consider the straight line, next we have to consider the curve. And first straight line, 4 minus 2x is a straight line, x square minus 5x is a curve. So simplification will give you now integration. Okay, these type of problems are very important. Okay, we will continue in next video.